Students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will practice an exercise of English grammar. First of all, I have an example that is he blank to college every day. Now goes or going. He goes to college every day or he going to college every day. What is the correct answer? First of all, whenever we have a word every day in sentence, in any sentence, when we have a word every day or daily, it means something that is habitual or that is our routine. For those, we always put goes, right? For those sentences in which we have a word every day or daily or that is our routine work, for those we always use first form of verb. This is basically a simple present tense or present indefinite tense, and for present indefinite tense we use first form of verb plus s or es. So we will go with goes. He goes. He goes to college every day. Next, my younger brother blank to Paris last month. Go or went. Now look at here. In sentence we have a past time. Here in a sentence we are talking about past time, last month, and when in any sentence that represent or shows past time or past tenses, so we use we do, that is second form of verb. And now we have go, went, gone. These are form of verbs, and this is a simple past tense, and for simple past tense we always use went. My younger brother went to Paris last month, because in this sentence we are talking about the past time. Alright, next, he blank from fever since last night. Now what will we will write here? Has suffered or has been suffering. First of all, that is a key point, is whenever we see since or for, or whenever in any sentence we are talking about time and use since or last, it means that sentence is perfect continuous. It can be present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, or future perfect continuous. Now as we have he blank from fever since last night, we have has in both example. So this is a present perfect continuous tense, as it has word since, and since is always used in in perfect continuous tense. So we will write has been suffering. He has been suffering from fever since last night. Alright. Last we have he blank just now. Has arrived or arrived. As we can see, here is the word just now. It means here someone is talking about present time. But also we have arrived and arrived, second form of verb. So what is the correct answer and what should be done here? Well, this is a present perfect tense as it has and also second form of verb. So third form of verb. The in present perfect continue in present perfect tense we always use third form of verb. So he has arrived just now. Thank you so much for watching this video.